Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to create a folder in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your My Files. Now from here go to internal storage. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. And here you can see create folder option. Then just tap here and then type your folder name. Then tap on create. And here it is. Now just open it. You can see the folder has been created successfully. Now if you go back and then open images, if you want to remove any images in your new folder, just touch and hold it and then tap on move and then go back, then open internal storage and then find your new created folder. Here it is. Then just tap here, then tap on move here and it's done. Now if you go back, if you want to rename your folder, just touch and hold it and then tap on three dots, then tap on rename and then type your new name, then tap on rename again and it's done. Now if you touch and hold it again, then tap on more, then tap on details. You can also check your created folder details from here. And that is how you can create a folder in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.